In this lesson, I want to show you how to add more fonts or kind of take a look at your font library. If you're like me, you love fonts. There's certain fonts that look good in certain places or certain type of websites. So you want to be able to utilize the fonts that are here. So this is where you can pretty much choose the different type of fonts that you want to be able to, to use. And this is really great because utilizing fonts plays a major role on the website. There are times when you look at a certain website and you see that the fonts look so nice, and looks really, really cool and great. So you have to know the type of fonts that you're going for. You can choose any one here to use on the site, or you can choose your add Google fonts. When you click on there, you can choose the type of font that you want to add. You get this drop down. There's a bunch of them here that you can choose. I'm going to choose this here, and then choose the font weight. The font weight is just how heavy, how dark it is. The style that you're going for something that's like 100, it's going to be light, italics. The higher the number, the darker the font. So when you go up to 800, 900 and so, which is the highest is 900, when you choose that 900 font, it's going to be really, really dark. So now this is the 900 font that you just added here, and as you can see, it's really dark. So let's add something else. So I want to keep that same font, but I want to add this one. Let's say this one to be 100. So let's click on save. So now you see the difference between a 900 font weight and a 100 font weight. So you can feel free to go ahead and add the fonts here, and you can also upload custom fonts through here. You can choose the file that you've saved that at, and you can be able to download the font. So if you are a designer, you want a little bit more flexibility, a little more with the fonts, you can buy a font somewhere, special fonts, you purchase those, and then you can upload the fonts directly into Gridbox, and that gives you a whole lot more because there's some fonts that are so classy that you have to pay money for, and if that's what you're going for, then you select the font. After you pay for it, then you can upload it and then click on save, and it's going to automatically just add it. And once it adds it to it, that is going to give you ability for you to use that font on your website.